Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today's video I am going to show you guys how to cook authentic Buka stew. You know those original mama puts. That is what I'm going to show you guys how to make today. So guys, quickly, these are my ingredients already. These are the tomatoes I am going to use. This is a bottled fresh tomato. It's already been blended. So if you have fresh tomato you can use it, but this is what I'm using for today. So I have my blended peppers. These are combination of all peppers, both tatasi, red bell peppers, habanero peppers, and so on. Plus I also added what is it called again, ginger and garlic. So this combines, it contains all the ingredients for cooking. Even onions is here. I'm going to use it. So here is my chopped onions. I am going to use these chopped onions as well. OMG. So guys, I have my nutmeg powder. Then my Nigerian curry. I have my Nigerian curry powder. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to use for it. I bleached my red oil because of course authentic Buka stew you need a bleached red oil for it, and I bleached my red oil. I will show you guys in the process of this cooking. And I also have my groundnut oil because I am going to mix groundnut oil into it. But before I started this video, I already parboiled my meat. I've already cooked my meat off camera, so you can cook your meat off camera. Whatever meat you're using, me I'm using goat meat and cow meat plus fish. This is my mackerel fish. As you can see, I've already parboiled it. I've already cooked it. So guys, let's start by first of all frying my meat and my fish. I am going to fry it first. So guys, I've already added my bleached oil and I didn't even know that the camera was not recording, so I added it off camera, obviously. So I've added my bleached oil and also added my groundnut oil. I mixed the two together, even though the groundnut oil is in a little quantity and the bleached palm oil is in a large quantity. My oil is heated already. My oil is already heated, so I am going to add my onions